Alright guys, welcome to another awesome video. Okay, so this is mintme.com. Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to get set up on MintMe. Okay, I'm already set up. Get set up on MintMe, and not only get set up, how to add Alloggio Coin to your wallet, how to deposit, how to withdraw, how to buy, how to sell. Okay, so if you've not signed up, all you have to do is sign up. The sign up process is very simple and straightforward. Okay, just make sure that you verify your sign up via your email once you are done. So I'm going to log in. All right. All right. So now that I'm logged in, it's taking me direct to Alloggio Coin account. But if you just signed up, you're going to end up in the what's it called, in the home section. So what you do is come here, go to your wallet, okay, to see the tokens you own. All right, so I have Alloggio Coin here. Let's say you don't have Alloggio Coin. First thing you do is go here, click on trade, select tokens. Okay, use the search bar. All right, use this and type Alloggio. Okay, and go. Click search. All right, it brings out Alloggio Coin. You click on Alloggio Coin. Then you click follow. Now I'm following Alloggio Coin, so that's why you are seeing unfollow. But I'm following Alloggio Coin. So for you to add it to your wallet, you have to follow Alloggio Coin. All right. So now that you follow Alloggio Coin and you want to buy, okay, you have to buy using MintMe. Okay, so if you don't have MintMe, you go and click add more funds and deposit MintMe, or basically deposit, or you go to trade, go to coins, okay, go to coins and choose whether to deposit USDT or BNB. Okay, any of these two, either BNB or USDT. Okay, when you deposit that to your wallet, you can use it to buy MintMe. Then you now head over to buy. Okay, so, then you head over to Alloggio Coin to buy. Now you can buy directly from what is on the exchange, okay, for the existing sell orders. Okay, so you can decide to put in any amount that you have and buy from what is already set on the exchange, which is the sell orders. Let me show that to you guys. Okay, these are the buy orders, these are sell orders. Okay, buy orders, sell orders. Now these buy orders price and sell order price are all in MintMe. They are not in US dollars. Okay, they are not in US, they are in MintMe coin. Okay, so you either come here and click a particular trade. Okay, so so you either come to a particular order. Okay, this is 0.012. So you either come and buy, like I said, buy direct by yourself. Okay, like direct from the setup buy and sell orders, or you come here and set up your own price at which you want to sell. So if I want to, at which I want to buy. So if I want to buy at less than what it is, I can easily go and do 0.20 mint me and type in how much coin I want to buy. Let's say 10. Okay, then that means I will have to get I'll have to spend 2 mint me to be able to get 10 Alloggio coin. Then I create a buy order. Okay, that's how you create a buy order of your own, and it will come and list just like this person that placed different buy orders at 0.01 mint me and 0.001 mint me. Okay, so that aside, if you want to sell, okay, you can pick an order. Sorry. If you want to sell, you can create your own sell order. Okay, you can create your own sell order. All right, that's if you want to sell. You can create your own sell order or buy from existing sell. So in this case, you click this arrow. If you click this arrow, it shows you want to sell. Okay, which means you're going to sell directly to the open orders. Okay, you're going to sell directly to the open buy orders. But if you want to buy, like using instant buy, you use this to buy from existing sell orders, or basically you just come down here and set your own price and wait for somebody to buy your price from you. Okay, now I have missed a step, which is that step is how to deposit deposit coins. So let's say you want to deposit BNB, you come here and click deposit. You want to withdraw, you click withdraw. Same thing applies to Alloggio Coin. You want to deposit, you click deposit. You want to withdraw, you click withdraw. Okay, now you can also, like I said, sell your mint me. Let's say you are selling and you decide to sell. Okay, you can convert your mint me to either Bitcoin or Binance coin or USDT. Okay, so it's very important that you know all this. I'm trying very much to make this video a short video. So that's it in summary of how to use this platform. Okay, for other questions regarding using this platform, please feel free to ask the question in the community of Alloggio Coin, and someone there will guide you on how to resolve your issue. That's if you're having an issue. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.